Hey everybody, Logan Allec CPA here. Trump accounts are here. You can open up a Trump account now. It's super easy to do. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what setting it up looks like. It's really quick. If you're on the fence about setting up a Trump account for your kid, I personally think you should. If they're eligible, even if they don't qualify for the $1,000 pilot from the government. I made a whole video about why I think you should open a Trump account, even if that's the case. Link to that video at the top of the screen. Anyway, so how do you actually set up one of these Trump accounts? Well, you set it up with an app. Just search for Trump account in the App Store or the Google Play Store. It'll pop up there, and it's the one that looks like this, the thing that says Trump account right there. Then you download it, and of course you open it up. It's going to give you a little screen brought to you by the U.S. Treasury. Welcome to Trump accounts. You got to hit the little sign up thing there. Note on data sharing. Hit continue. You got to put in your email address, of course, and it's going to email you like a 6-digit verification code to that email. You got to put that in. Very typical for apps these days. And then you got to put in a password. Okay. The password does have to be at least 10 characters, which is more than some sites these days. Oh, and by the way, you're going to have to input your phone number. They'll send you a verification code for the phone number that you have to input. And then there's this whole identity verification thing. You put your first and your last name there, obviously. Your social security number. It's going to verify all that to make sure that you check out. Then it's going to ask you if you complete IRS Form 4547. Okay. This is the form you would have filled out with your 2025 tax return if you've done it yet. Now, I haven't filed my 2025 tax return yet. I'm still an extension. That's okay, right? Because you can just fill out the 4547 information right there in the app. And that's why I selected the no button right on this screen in the app. If you did complete the 4547, you'd obviously hit yes, but I haven't, so I hit no. And then you basically just fill out basic information about yourself. Obviously didn't show it on screen here, but it was basically my name, my address, and my social security number, and my date of birth. Okay, and then you got to fill out information about your child here. Again, very basic information: their name, their social security number, date of birth, if they lived with you. All right, and you can see if you have multiple children, you can see right there, add another child if you want to add another child. Right, and then, because the kid I was doing here, that they were born, before 2025, so they didn't qualify for the $1,000 pilot contribution from the government. However, they will still qualify for the $250 from Michael and Susan Dell. Okay, and I'll make another video later this week to see if so you can find out if your child qualifies for that. Then it gives you like a review screen to review all the information. You submit very basic information, and then you sign it just by typing your name. Okay. Then after all this, you have to do like the identity verification thing where you take a picture of like your ID, like your passport or driver's license. Then you face your camera on your phone and you look at it. Then you got to turn left, then you got to turn right to just verify you are who you're saying you are. Pretty annoying, right? Then after you do that, okay, assuming you didn't submit the 4547 along with your tax return, you haven't done that yet, it's going to take them a little while to process the 4547. Okay, so and that's where I'm at right now. Okay, so yeah, and then when this process is done, it said it'll typically take 1 to 3 business days. You can turn on a notification on your phone when that's done. Then I'm going to see what happens there and come right back here and make a video for all you other parents out there opening Trump accounts for your kid, because hey, I'm doing this too. I'm exploring this for the first time as well. These Trump accounts are brand new. So good news, folks. It's only been like 4 hours. You can see the time at the upper left of this screenshot of 10:39 a.m. Now it's 2:47 p.m. and I got a notification in the app that the Trump account election was processed. Okay, so that's a lot faster than the 1 to 3 business days it said on the previous screenshot. So then I clicked finish account setup. That blue button there. It says verifying your information. Okay, then congrats, Hunter. That's one of my kids is eligible for a Trump account. Earnings of the account grow tax deferred, and we can add money to it, including you, your loved ones, and your employer. Next, we'll verify Hunter's information. Okay, even though I already put it in the first time, I put it in again. Date of birth, social. Obviously, not going to show those things on screen. home address. I have to input it again, right? I just click the button. He lives at the same address as me. And then you're prompted to review the information and, then basically agree to a bunch of stuff. You'll notice here, you might be surprised to see Robinhood here, right? Where it says at the top, this agreement includes our terms of use and important policies to open a Trump account with Robinhood Securities, LLC. Robinhood is the initial trustee and broker for the Trump account program, okay? It's my understanding that there is portability eventually, right, to move to another broker, but it is the initial trustee. Basically, you can read all those documents there, and then of course you got to hit agree and continue at the bottom to consent to all this. Then I got another screen that says we're reviewing your application for this account, and again, this simply takes a few business days. We'll let you know when we finish our review, but momentarily, maybe not momentarily, but it was like a minute or two afterwards, the account was open, and it says, Hunter there at the top, right? You could, I set some up for my other two children as well. You could hit the drop down there and see there are two children's accounts, and then you can make a contribution. You can invite others to contribute to the Trump account. There's kind of calculator to estimate the future account value, but basically there we go. Now this Trump account is set up. So there you go. I am planning on making other, Trump account content, including how to determine if you're eligible or your child is eligible for the $250 contribution from Michael and Susan Dell for kids age 10 and under who aren't eligible for the $1,000 pilot program from the government. Okay, so stay tuned for that video. And I also have the Trump account video up here in the upper left about why you should set up a Trump account for your kids. All right. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.